Alright. Sorry I got cut off on that other one. My brother called. So I got the bucket sluice all set up. I don't know if you guys have seen one or not, but kind of cool. I'm getting ready to feed it with my bucket of pines here, so I'm going to feed it for a little bit while the camera's rolling and then shut the camera off. Just so you can kind of maybe see how it's working. I'm sure it's pretty hard on this camera to see what's going down, but I got my bucket of pines here. Concentrates, if you will. Wish I could concentrate it down one more time, but I don't have that option. So, I'm gonna feed this in here. I've tried to teach a few people how to do this, and I'm not perfect because I just started a year ago. But many have tried and many have died, so to speak. I don't know, I guess you just gotta have some patience for this stuff. And I do. As long as I got a can of beer around and get to go in the wilderness once in a while, which I don't get to do very often. But something to do in your time, spare time. Takes a little money getting into. Obviously, it's hard to learn. I went through a whole year of trying to figure out what's going on and what to do, and throwing a lot away and keeping a lot of what wasn't. I don't know, it's really hard to learn off YouTube, but I did. Best thing you can do as far as I'm concerned is buy a couple of those 2-pound bags of dirt off of eBay. It's guaranteed gold. Pan it out in a big Rubbermaid bin so you can see what gold looks like, so you can see how heavy it is and see how easily it sits at the very bottom of the pan if you do it properly. Once I did that, it was game over. So all the shiny stuff floating around, all the shiny stuff in the sand, everything that people think, oh, look at all the gold in the creek. It's not necessarily what it is. For instance, a lot of this nice shiny gold stuff that I'm running through my sluice, my bucket sluice right now, floats enough that it's floating right out of my bucket and into that gold pan there. Hopefully you can see that. Well, personally, I wish that was gold, and every time I try to pan something like that out, it never sits at the bottom, it always floats around. So I had to learn the hard way that not everything that's gold in the water is gold. So anyway, I'm going to keep filling this sluice, and I'll make another video, like I said, sometime this week. So I got to run 2 more buckets of those bigger concentrates over there through my actual sluice box in the creek by my house. This is Colonel Sack signing off. Happy pans, everyone. Goodbye.